So I'm building a T for the expansion tank for this water heater, but this is how you correctly Teflon and dope your pipe threads. I get it so that the tape is running away from me, see, like that, and then I get it started like this, and it depends on the pipe or whatever you're doing, but I typically go around 4 times. These I do a little more because I'm going to be cranking them down. There's that. And then I've got my short little nip here. Boom. And then this, so you tape it first and then get your dope, get it on there, and you go the same way that you wrap your tape on there, like that. Nice and covered. And then you get your whatever you're threading in. In this case, it's a brass T. And you screw it in, and you can crank it down with channel locks or a pipe wrench or whatever you need.